I'm grateful I was given a second chance. Granted, I lost all 4 limbs, but I'm actually living better now than I ever did.
She's a fighter. Her nickname is Warrior Princess.
Very loyal and demanded loyalty of her friends as well.
June 15th, I went to a concert. It was a really, really good concert. But about 4 days later, I went into septic shock from Legionnaires disease, which is bacteria in water called Legionella.
Multiple organ failure, heart wasn't doing good, lungs wasn't doing good. It was bad.
They think it was the mister from the concert. We're still kind of trying to figure that out. Honestly, more of what I remember is being intubated and then waking up 15, 16 days later.
I went from thinking we were going to bury her to where she might actually pull out of this.
I couldn't move anything but my eyes, so I knew something in my body was wrong. All 4 of my limbs were completely black. I was like, oh man, I'm losing these.
When the doctor actually says, we're gonna take your feet, it just almost killed me.
I was like, what am I gonna do without hands?
Bridget and some of the other therapists had seen Evelyn's name up on the wall. They were already saying, this girl's coming here.
You know, she was super quiet, very shy.
But the day I got there, they had me in a Hoyer lift. Like someone was holding my head, someone was holding my shoulders, and someone was holding my torso.
The staff at Baylor Rehab is just top-notch, phenomenal, and really treat you like you are family.
I definitely find joy in helping just getting patients their life back and their independence back.
The day I got my prosthetics, they told me that I probably should just stand, and I walked 75 feet.
She just started walking.
Kind of got tired there for a second, and then she just lifted up and she started walking again, and her and Lindsay and Bridget were going, oh my gosh.
Everybody, you could just see it on everybody's faces. They were like, we've never seen this ever. I really did get stronger every single day.
We would practice things, you know, transferring, going to the restroom, doing all the daily activities that, you know, someone does.
I brushed my teeth. Like, we never knew if I'd be able to do that again.
They made sure before we left, anything to do with safety, anything to do with daily living, we could do together.
I've never met any therapist as knowledgeable as the ones at Baylor, inpatient and outpatient. Knowledgeable, helpful, kind.
All levels, team effort, 100%.
We were there for a reason. Yeah, we were put there for a reason.
Me and my mom both cried. Happy because we were going home, sad because we were going home, but also sad because this was my new life. This was my new normal.
She's doing it on her own. I'm not saying that there aren't any bad days, but pretty much doing it on her own.
I do the cooking, I do the cleaning. I'm living more than I ever did. I've looked into public speaking, which I never, ever would have thought of doing.
I think it's great that she is so open to sharing her story and open to having others see the good and the bad and everything in between of her day-to-day life.
She is living her life out loud.
Nothing scares her. She scared us a lot, but nothing scared her.
It may seem little, but I'm proud that I just get up every day. Get up, put my prosthetics on, and live.